I got wind coming through now. Oh my goodness. All right, we're fine. We got it, we're fine. Doesn't matter, all right. Hey guys, welcome back to e-bike reviews and adventures. My name is Emma. Today we're gonna be conducting another little speed test. So let's go ahead and show you what I got. So this right here is the Mooncool CG2 Road Cruiser. Almost messed it up. I almost wanted to say Roadster. Road Cruiser. Now this is a cargo bike. I don't have any cargo on it aside from my helmet and my sunglasses. But like I said, we're going to conduct a nice little speed test to show you guys how fast she goes. So let's go. Birds. Birds. I don't know what they're called. I don't remember what they're called. Birds. Okay guys, so to be doing this speed test, I'm going to be starting from a complete stop. I'm going to start with full throttle, or just throttle, sorry. No pedaling. This is a cadence bike, cadence sensor bike. And for this one, in order for the throttle to really work, it has to be in some sort of pedal assist. It won't really go past whatever pedal assist you have it in and whatever it's set for. What else? This thing is really zippy. It's great, it's fun, but it's very zippy. So yeah, I'm gonna hold on for dear life. I don't see anyone else behind me. I'm gonna start slowing down here. All right, so for no pedaling and just the throttle, we got her up to about just under 20 miles per hour. For whatever reason, I couldn't hit that perfect 20. It was like 19.9 miles per hour. Okay, we're going to do pedal assist. Maybe start in 1 so you can see what that looks like. Maybe. There we go. Okay, so pedal assist 1 is looking at about 11 miles per hour. Pedal assist 2 is about almost just shy of 14 miles per hour. Pedal assist 3 is a good cool 16 miles per hour. Pedal assist 4 is getting us up to just under 18, about 17.9, maybe 18. There we go, 18. And number 5 is what gets us into the 19.9 range. Again, for whatever reason, just shy of 20. I bet if I had a slope to go down, it would probably kick into 20. All right, so there you guys have it. That is the Mooncool CG2 Road Cruiser. Thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you in the next one, and until then, ride safe. That was stupid. There you go. There she is. There you have it. Mooncool. I don't know. Is it? I don't know. I think it's fine. I'm probably reading into it too much. Now it's gonna be sunny. I don't know. Should I be goofy? Should I start it goofy? Or should I be respectable? Which would Dad prefer? Whatever. I'm reading into it too much. Okay. Jumble of both. Okay. Okay. You got this. You got this. You're fine. It's just a video. You made one the other day. It turned out great. You were cute. Bike was cute. What is that? Thanks. Okay. I hate starting. Once I'm going, I'm fine. Starting is the hard part. That's the quote of the day. Starting is the hard part. That was stupid. Okay. I'm gonna turn it off. Is this working? Yes. Hey guys, welcome back to e-bike reviews and adventures. My name is Emma. I hit the mic. Dang it! Now Dad's coming. I keep smacking it. That's gonna be a problem probably. Let's try it again though. Hey guys, welcome back to e-bike reviews and adventures. My name is Emma. Today we are going to be conducting another little speed test. Pause. All right, so there you guys have it. That is the speed test for the Mooncool CG2 Road Cruiser. Thank you so much for watching. There's a lot of wind. There's probably gonna be a lot of feedback. Hold on, let me get around the road here. The houses will probably block it. I can't hear myself think. Okay, there we go. All right, slow down a little bit. Thank you so much for watching. Did I say what the bike was? I don't remember, I'm confused now. I'm just gonna redo half of it.